Okay, I'll just show you how to debond, delete, whatever, a phone from the Bluetooth system in this Ford Transit. So from any screen, we can either go to phone here, you can see there add or Bluetooth or close. Those instructions on the bottom there, add, BT, close, correspond to these 4 buttons here. So we'll just click Bluetooth. Williams phone, Barry's phone, you use these 4 arrows to navigate to the phone you want to delete, and again the instructions at the bottom, you've got add, delete, connect and master. So that's add, that's delete. We'll click delete. Delete Barry's phone, yes, I want to delete. Now I've got to press that one, yes. Barry's phone deleted. Just do that again, just navigate to Williams phone there, and then add, delete, we want delete. Delete Williams phone, yes. That's it, Williams phone's gone too.